Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll be doing the two organic balloon columns that I set up for a Prince themed baby shower. Actually there was a backdrop requested, 2 balloon garlands, and then 2 balloon columns. In this video I will just be doing the balloon columns, and then if you stay tuned for next week's video, you will see the entire setup of me setting up the backdrop and the balloon garlands and everything else. The colors are royal blue, as you see, gold, and white, and then a hint of black the client requested. So, yeah, we'll be doing this right now. Oh, excuse me. Let's get started. All right, guys. So, to construct our balloon columns, I'm going to be using the 8-inch sizer. And I'm trying to debate if I want to use the 8-inch and the 7-inch. So I want the column, because it's organic balloon column, I want it to be like 2 different sizes going up. I'm not sure. I'm going to see how the 7-inch look. I don't recommend using anything bigger than like 8 or 9-inch when you do make balloon columns, unless you're going for that look. However, it will be more prone to popping the balloon itself. I mean, these only 11-inch balloons, so if you stretch it out too much, you want your balloon column, the balloon, you want it to be a little bit squishy so it don't pop. The bigger you make it, of course, then the latex stretches out and it can be more prone to popping. But I don't recommend using anything bigger than 8 or 9 inches. I'm going to be using 8 inches today, and you can see how that looks. I'm going to see what the 9-inch look like, even though I don't want to make it that big. Actually, I'm going to see what the 7-inch look like first. I'll test out the 9-inch. I think I'm gonna go with the 9-inch. And then we're gonna start constructing our balloon column. This is a floor lamp from Walmart. Everything I use will be linked in the description box. I have my 9 inches right here, then my 8 inches right here. So I'm going to slide it in the middle, and then I'm going to twist a balloon around the pole. Like that. I'm going to take an 8-inch. You want to make sure you turn it so as though the next one is in the middle of this. And then you twist it behind. There. This is how that looks. Now we're going to do this one. Alright, now we're going to start adding our 5-inch clusters on. I already made them, and so for the colors is gold, royal blue, and the client wanted a hint of black. So for the ones I made, I did like gold on one side, blue on the other, and the black just have all black because I already had these made. But now we're just going to start adding them on. When I put this around the balloon, I usually like to crisscross it and then let it go wherever it will fall. on site, I'm going to add the toppers. I'm going to take this pole off, and I have gold crown foil balloons that they want as the topper, and I'm going to add those when I get on site. And let's bring the other column over. All right, y'all, we are on site. I have inflated the foil balloon. I'm using a 260 to basically roll down to the valve, and then I'm going to tie it twice. And once I do that, I'm going to take that top pole off, and then I'm going to put some gaff tape over top of the other pole. Once I take that piece off, and what you do is I'm going to use the two ends of the 260, and then I'm going to stretch them out to the size of the both sides of the column, and then I'm just going to pull it all the way down to about the third or fourth row of the balloons, and then I'm going to go in the inside and just tie it down, and that's when it's just going to be really tight. I typically crisscross it and then take it down one more row and then tie it, but you can take it down 3 or 4 rows, pull it tight, crisscross it, and double knot it. But that's it, and that's it. And this is how that ended. I don't have any tips that I wish I would have done. Well, in the video, actually, my floor length was a little, I guess, uneven because I had put some cement at the bottom of it, and I didn't put it on smoothly. So, you know, there was some like rocks that was poking out, and that's why in the video when you see me doing it, in my home, that you can see like it was a little crooked, but it wasn't the balloons or anything. Of course, it was the actual floor length that was crooked. So I don't even, I was doing a project and just playing around with it, and that's how that happened. But other than that, this is the full setup. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for next week's video. I will be filming the full setup of the backdrop and the balloon garlands. And then next week after that, I have a balloon wall that I'll be doing. Super excited about that. So, yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, share, all that good stuff. Bye.